Now, it is important to note that that number does include tariffs dating back to the Biden administration. So joining me now is wealth management advisor, CEO of 9i Capital Group, and host of the 9 Innings podcast, Kevin Thompson. Kevin, it's great to see you. First of all, what is your reaction to these videos? Is buying direct a viable workaround for American consumers?
Well, yeah, it's actually a viable workaround, and thank you for having me. The issue is there's a de minimis exemption inside of the tariff, so people could actually buy direct to avoid the tariffs altogether. Now, the question is, what will the current administration do? Will they lower that floor or will they increase it? So people are actually going to buy direct, and we've all seen this before. And we are in a trade war. Let's not get it twisted. This is a trade war. So instead of the pamphlets raining down from the sky from all of to sow this division within the military, now you have people going direct to your social media threads, to your Instagrams, to your text message chains. I mean, it's coming to you in waves. And to borrow a phrase from the Trump administration, the euphemism, flooding the zone, that's what China's doing right now.